Hi everyone, and welcome to SIC Forex Trading. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. In this video, I will show you how to use the Fibonacci Scalper. To download and install the Fibonacci Scalper, we are going to the MQL5 website, which is great for indicators, expert advisors, signals, just to name a few. Now on this website, MQL5, we are going to select Market. Once we've selected Market, you can either go MT5 or MT4, depending on what you're using. Today we're going to select Metatrader5, Experts, Free, and now we are going to select the Fibonacci Scalper. The Fibonacci Trader is an MQL5 expert advisor that uses Fibonacci levels to determine a buy or sell trade with the MACD as confirmation. It uses the following important Fibonacci levels: above 61.8, which is sell if the MACD trend is sell. It also identifies trading ranges, and it also uses below 23.6, which is a buy if the MACD trend is a buy. So now let's take a closer look at Fibonacci levels and the MACD. Now what are Fibonacci levels? Fibonacci retracement levels stemming from the Fibonacci sequence are horizontal lines indicate where support and resistance are likely to occur. Each of these levels is associated with a percentage, and the percentage is how much a prior move the price has retraced. Popular Fibonacci retracement levels include 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, and 78.6. Also, some traders use 50%. So this indicator uses these levels as entries, and it combines it with the moving average convergence, divergence to determine the trend. So what is the moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD? Now the moving average convergence, divergence is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. The MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average, or EMA, from the 12-period exponential moving averages. Now this result of the calculation is a line, and a 9-day EMA of the MACD is called the signal line. So now that we've understand a little bit more about the Fibonacci levels that this EA uses, and we understand more about the MACD, this also offers the opportunity to add a news server filter, which I will show you how to add into your settings in a second. It is also recommended to use it on the Euro USD on the 5-minute for the default settings. Other resources that are available for this expert advisor is we have a Telegram group for set files, and also a Telegram group to discuss the required updates and share set files. Next, I'm going to my Metatrader5 platform. And we're going to select View, Navigator, Market, Experts, Free, and we're going to select the Fibonacci Scalper. Now, the reason why I directly download the Forex Expert Advisor into my Metatrader5 platform is to make updates easier. This means I don't have to go back to the website and download the software when there is a new update release. Now let's add the news filter. What we're going to do is we're going to main menu, tools, options, and under options we're going to select expert advisors. Now under expert advisors we're going to add the URL provided for the news filter. Now remember, news isn't enabled in Strategy Tester, and you have to manually add the website into your web request URLs. Now if you allow this, you can actually use a news filter for this expert advisor, which decreases your risk. Last but not least, we are going to download the expert advisor, and remember there are the two groups available if you need help. So we're going to press download, and next we are going to run a test on the Fibonacci Scalper. Now first we are going to select our settings for the Fibonacci Scalper, and remember the recommended settings is made for the Euro USD on the 5-minute. So first we're just going to conduct a short test and see what the results look like. So this was for a very short period of time, and you can see a little bit of up, a little bit of down, but let's see what it does on a longer time frame. And we can see a little bit of up and down, but overall the EA is able to perform well in the longer time frame. So let's optimize the EA. So these are the different settings that you can change and optimize for the Fibonacci Scalper. And the first thing we are going to optimize is the actual Fibonacci retracement levels that we looked at. Now this EA actually comes with 3 different options when it comes to Fibonacci retracement levels. And we're going to see which one of these 3 work the best with the current settings that we have for the EA. Now when we look at our optimization results, you'll see the best strategy is the 23.6 and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels. And we're going to run a single test on these inputs. The next thing we want to optimize is our money management. And we're going to go for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Now by making that simple change to the EA, you'll see a much more progressive revenue curve. And you'll actually see our 10K deposit went up to 22,000 or 12,000 profit in 6 months. Now guys, thank you for watching, and as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm to grow the channel. See you next time.